Hey guys, it's Mahesh Sopari here from India. When I first started affiliate marketing, I had no audience, no fancy setup, and no idea how to sell. I wasted months posting random links and hoping something would go viral. But everything changed when I stopped guessing and started using AI the right way. Now, guys, in 2026, affiliate marketing has completely evolved. The old tricks don't work anymore. And that's why 95% of beginners still fail. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what's actually working right now, the exact AI driven system I personally use to grow affiliate income daily, and how you can copy it, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, let's move with the first strategy, that is the debt of low ticket offers. All right. Now, let's move with the first screen. If you are still promoting cheap gadgets or Amazon products for just 30 cents to $1 profit sale, okay, stop right now. That model died years ago. Now, when I started focusing on digital tools with high commissions, things changed overnight. For example, I began promoting GetResponse, Systemy.io, and Canva Pro, all of which offer recurring commissions. That means when someone subscribes through your link or my link, I keep getting paid every single month, even if I'm sleeping. So instead of chasing 300 random clicks for just $20, I focus on 10 quality buyers who generate long-term recurring income. That's the mindset shift that builds a real business, not a side hustle. Now let's move with the second strategy, that is content has shifted from hype to help. Back in days, people used to go viral with flashy videos. But in 2026, people don't trust hype. They trust helpful, authentic creators. And here's what working for me. I use short form content like Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts to spark curiosity, and long form content like tutorials or product reviews to build trust. For example, one of my top performing reels this year wasn't me flexing income screenshots. It was me breaking down how affiliate marketers can promote funnels using Systemy.io and build email lists using AI. That video didn't go viral. It got just a few hundred of views, okay? But it pulled the right people. Those followers joined my community, grabbed my free affiliate guide, and many become buyers later on. So the formula is very simple. Short content gets attention, long content builds connection, and your email list closes the deal. All right. Now let's move with the third thing, that is AI is the secret weapon for beginners in 2026. I used to think affiliate marketing requires designing skills, fancy tools, or paid ads, but AI has replaced all that. Now, here is what I do now. I use ChatGPT to write full funnel copy, Canva AI to design lead magnets, and captions.ai to repurpose my YouTube videos into short form reels, all in a few minutes. Okay. For example, I recently created a full 3-step internet formula guide in one day using ChatGPT, using prompts like, write a free guide about how beginners can make their first $1,000 in affiliate marketing using AI tools like GetResponse or Systemy.io. I wrote the PDF, the landing page copy, and even a 5 email sequences with the help of ChatGPT. I just customized it with my tone, and within a week, I started generating leads on autopilot. So guys, if you're still doing everything manually, you're falling behind. AI doesn't replace you, it empowers you to move faster. Now let's move with the fourth thing, that is authenticity wins. Authenticity is betting every algorithm. People can spot fake gurus in just 2 seconds now. They don't want lifestyle bargaining. They want real creators who share what's actually working for them. That's why my best performing content isn't about income screenshots. Okay, it's about real problems affiliate marketers face, like not getting approved for programs, struggling to write content that converts, okay, confused between high ticket versus recurring offers. When I share my own experience, like how I got approved for the Shopify affiliate program after being rejected twice, people relate to it and they trust me even more. And when they trust you, they click your links, and not because you ask them to click, but because they believe you're guiding them honestly. And in 2026, trust is the new traffic. Now let's move with the fifth one, that is my working system. Okay, my AI plus conversion system that still works in 2025 as well as in 2026. And here is exactly what's working for me right now. Step one, I post short value driven reels on Instagram and YouTube about affiliate tools and product reviews, like why I prefer Get Response over MailChimp for beginners, or how do I find high paying affiliate programs in 2026. Okay, this is the gold mine. And second step is I direct viewers to a simple two-step funnel. Okay, the first page gives a free masterclass or a PDF called what we say solar planner recession proof, or a 3-step internet formula. And the second page introduces a tool I actually use, like Systemy.io or Canva Pro, with my affiliate link attached. And third, I followed up personally instead of cold pitching, or I simply used to message them, okay, saying, hey, I saw you downloaded my guide, what stood out most to you. Okay, I have done this everything inside my community. Okay, that one question starts genuine conversions. By the time I go live in my community, okay, I have a personal community, most of them are already ready to buy. Okay, this exact system bought me 55 signups and 16 high ticket affiliate sales, around $497 each, all without ads or a big following. All right, now let's move with the sixth one, that is what's really working in 2026. Okay, the new affiliate formula. So affiliate marketing isn't about hacks or luck anymore. It's about systems, trust, and consistent content. And here is the simple blueprint that works in 2025 as well as in 2026. Promote tools that genuinely help your audience and pay recurring commissions. Then after, create authentic value first content, short form for reach and long form for trust, and use AI to build and automate your funnels. Then after, start real conversions that convert followers into buyers. Okay, so if you follow this process, you won't just make one-time commissions, you will build a long-term income machine. And remember, I started with no audience and no skills. If I can build a daily income in USD from my laptop here in India, so can you. And I put together a free masterclass which helped me make $5,000 to $10,000 per month on autopilot. Even though English is my third language, I made money in USD. And note guys, this free masterclass alone is enough for you to get started. Okay, there is no need for you to invest thousands of dollars into other paid courses. This free masterclass is alone enough for you to make anywhere around $100 to $200 per day on autopilot. Okay, so once you are done with this masterclass, you are all good to go. And guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment affiliate 2026 below. I'll reply with some personal advice for your niche. Okay, let's build something real together. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.